inside. It comes with an owner's manual. It looks like this is where the instructions are. You have little mounts for the wall. That's pretty much it for that. So it's fairly heavy, not too bad. So looks like it has the grill covering it, protecting it. So let's put this on. Okay, here we go. Nice. Okay. All right, here it is. Nice. See, I came with this grill, which is magnetic. You can just stick it on there. And then underneath, let's grab this. You can see you have super nice drivers. You got 6 3-inch drivers. And I believe those are for like mid and bass. And then you have the tweeter right here, which also looks very nice. If we go around the back, so these are called their bass ports. This kind of dampens the bass, and it also comes with the wall mount. Got our speaker connectors here, which are gold plated. Then a second bass trap over here. So yeah, there it is. That's the unboxing of the Polk ES35 speaker.